Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to upload custom thumbnails on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you want to upload custom thumbnail for your Instagram videos, let's see how can you do that. So very first I recommend you have to try to update your Instagram app. Then open your Instagram and here just tap in your profile option in the bottom right. Now if you want to change your thumbnail for any Instagram reel video which you have uploaded, so you have to simply go to this reel section and from here just select a reel for which you want to change the thumbnail. So let's say I'm going to select this one. Just select that, then tap on these three dots, tap on manage, then tap on edit option. Now in edit section you just have to tap on this cover option and here you have to select add from camera roll and you just have to simply select any photo from here which you want to set as your own thumbnail. So let's say I'm going to select this one. Once you have selected, just tap on done, then tap on done again. Now your video's thumbnail will be changed. So just wait for this until it's loading. Then go back from here, and here you can see that if this thumbnail of my video has been successfully changed. Or if you want to upload a video with a custom thumbnail, so simply tap on this plus option, and here select post. Now in post section, you just have to select any video. So let's say I'm going to select this one. And so once I have selected the video, just tap on this next option, then tap on next again. Now in this section, you just have to tap on this edit cover and then select any cover. You can also select it from any part of video or you can also add from your camera roll. So just select add from camera roll and select any cover which you want or any thumbnail. So let's say I'm going to select this one. Once you have selected, tap on done option and your thumbnail for the video will be changed. Now you just have to tap on the share option and it will be shared to your profile. So in this way you can easily upload custom thumbnails on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.